are in Boca Raton, Puerto Rico. We're leaving Boca Raton.
I never saw life on that boat.
Ready to ring your bell?
Yeah, and I'm driving right now.
It was actually a very quiet anchorage.
Yeah.
We got some sleep that we needed.
Oh, I didn't turn that on.
And I'll ring the bell.
All right, so can you hold this? No, go ahead. You ring it.
As we're leaving here, Boca Raton, Puerto Rico, I can smell flowers coming off of the island from the breeze. Pretty flowers. I don't know what kind, but I can smell them. It's a nice, pleasant smell. This is the south side of Puerto Rico. We just came from around that corner. And you're supposed to go early in the morning so you don't get all these waves and wind. It is early in the morning. I guess they decided to start early. A good diving ring. Outside Paraguay. Could be another one over here. Little islands. We're turning in here somewhere. So here we are coming into Paraguay, Puerto Rico.
There's a marina, but I don't see any tall grass.
Okay, so this is Paraguay. It is pretty. Here is the anchorage, Paraguay in Puerto Rico. We got here at 10:30 this morning because the waves are really rough out there already. This is coming into Ponce. Okay, this is Ponce or Ponce, Puerto Rico. We are here. There's the fuel dock, and it's closed. We have to figure out why. It's a Friday. It's very industrial. This is the best place for provisioning and getting fuel, maybe.
Marina at Ponce. It's not the Ponce Yacht Club. We did see dinghies in there, but supposedly you can't dinghy in there. But there's a little one at the end. Then we went in, got groceries, took an Uber. It wasn't much, $7. But now we're gonna go party with some people. There's a little festival going on. Little festival.
Hot dog and ice cream shack. This is El Patio. Must be beer. Parking lot area, walking, and way back there are the little vendor booths. That one's an ice cream place. We're gonna come back to it. Here's everything going on, and there's a park. I guess it opens around 4 or 5 o'clock. It's too hot right now. Maybe we'll come back.
It's a police station right across from the festivities in the park and right on the ocean. Area over where we docked our dinghy. Dinner. They feed the fish here, so they hang around here. And they wait for their turn.
Trying to show what I see, except it's focusing on droplets on the window. It's dark. No, it's focusing too much. Anyways, this is our view. Droplets.
We're leaving Ponce, Puerto Rico. It was a good anchorage. It was a little rolly. Nice town. Take some Ubers in for some provisioning. And there's a nice little community right there. The anchorage was a little bit rolly. So, especially today, the waves have changed a little, coming a little more from the south and southeast, so they came around the point a little. But it was a good anchorage.
A little stormy.
scattered thunderstorms, hopefully not. But wind's dying down, so that should allow us to do the 6 knots that we're doing.
This is our approach to Patillas, Puerto Rico. There's a little bit of a town. Okay, we are at Patillas, Puerto Rico. There are reefs over there, supposedly blocking the swells, but I feel like we're rocking and rolling. It's a little town. It's a nice, it's not industrial like the other place. This is where we are for tonight. Leaving Patillas into that pretty clouds, Ponce's, mostly rolly night, so not a whole lot of sleep. Yeah, that's the waves crashing over the reef that we're going by.
So this is Patillas,
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. It's the last stopover before going to an island off from the main one. It's still part of Puerto Rico, the island, the Keys or something like that. And she only gets one ding. She was a really rolly anchorage. So we did meet some friends here, though, that we ran across before.
Yes, we
Sort
met.
of.
We met. There's a couple of boats out there. Only sand in Annapolis, actually. We realized it, and we met Kokomo just now, although we may have met them in Georgetown. Okay, we are at Vieques in Puerto Rico. It's a separate island. There's no rollers, or very small ones, compared to last night's big rollers. We are leaving Vieques. Very well, when we got here it wasn't rolly at all. About 4 o'clock it became super rolly. Couldn't sleep again.
Ready?
Ready for your dings.
Only one. That was an awful rolly.
Almost as bad as the one before that.
It ended up that way. It started off pretty calm, but so we decided to stay. Otherwise, we would have gone around the corner.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.